Hi, my dear Tally users. This video is related to coffee curing accounting solution. Coffee curing accounting solution has multiple menus, as you can see: purchase flow, sales flow, goal transfer, and menu. First, we'll look at purchase flow. Let's check how it works. The purchase flow, first thing is purchase order. Okay, let's see the purchase order. For example, I select uh, supplier name first. Okay, as you know, tally, you have to change the date. Okay, if you want, it takes any date. It is flexible. You can make the previous date entry also and post dated entry also. Okay, and the date is, let me take 1/8 for example, 1/8/26, and the supplier is the first supplier. And as you can see, purchase ledger, you can link with this what kind of supplier is URD or registered dealer, whatever, gets selected automatically. Next type of coffee you have to select here. For example, Robusta Arabica. Select, for example, Robusta Cherry raw coffee. Okay, and go down any here quantity, for example, 10,000 kgs. And the rate, let it be random. If you want, you can change the rate. It will not show any amount, it is hidden. Okay, if you want, you can show that we have given enable and disable option for amount. When I save it, it is integrated with WhatsApp immediately. Okay, it sends WhatsApp to supplier contact number, means WhatsApp number. The is format looks like this. You have buyer details, seller details, GST details, type, coffee type, quantity, top measurement kg, rate, and terms and condition. You can write terms and conditions, payment terms, other terms, if any, delivery terms, anything. And you have buyer and seller signature parts. Okay, this is like a purchase contract. Okay, this contract will go to supplier WhatsApp number if it is integrated with WhatsApp. Or if you don't want to send it automatically or don't want to go with WhatsApp integration, you can save it and send it to the supplier manually. Next, date in entry. Okay, the date and time takes automatically. Okay, we have given here old crop and new crop. This helps in tracking, and further reports you can track old crop, which is the old crop reports and new crop reports. So I take 26, same supplier, for example, vehicle number, and coffee type is Robusta Cherry Raw Coffee. Total number of bags, received bags, 100, and a lot number generates automatically. Okay, select go down for unload. Take any go down, select any, and save it. Get it into created. It goes to first weight. It is integrated with Weybridge. Okay, or if you don't want to go for Weybridge integration, we have option to disable that. So just disable this option. Now, if you go to first weight, enter, and the first weight is, for example, 10,000 kg. Okay, and the print format can get, this is the print format. Here it prints the barcode. Now that is not enabled, so it's not printing. That is, it goes to second, weight, select, and this is stair weight. Okay, yeah, everything without number and time, date takes automatically catches. Now take this vehicle weight. It is, if it is integrated with WebBridge, it takes automatically. Just you need to click here second weight. Okay. Now I'm going to enter vehicle weight. For example, let's say 7,000. Same print format with their weight and net weight. Okay. And the date time also you can get of first weight and second weight. Now it goes to each stage. It is WhatsApp message you can send to supplier. It is optional if you want to send. Say yes, send it. Otherwise you can skip it. Tear weight change, if you want to change this, means tear weight, you can change. For example, 7,010. It will get updated immediately. And it goes to quality control. Quality control, you will enter two things. One is moisture. For example, if you enter 13, it will not deduct anything. Any value more than 13%, it will deduct. Okay. To increase, the deduction weight also get increased. OT, enter OT. So on the basis of these two values, it calculates all the, you know, so payable weight, estimated parchment, husk weight, everything automatically. You can see EP and husk weight. Only two things you need to enter. Everything gets calculated automatically. And deposit production. This production part we'll see later. Okay. You want to print. If you want to see the print format, it looks like this. All the details from the beginning: first weight, second weight, cross weight, empty bag weight, and net weight, OTLC, it's a deduction, another deduction if any, other addition if any, balance quantity. Okay, so next it goes to second quality. We'll see that later. Next, if you want to add any weight, you can add here. If it's lagging, it's not the normal case sometimes. Okay, here if you want to add some weight, you can add here directly. Add weight. Okay, after adding weight, you can send it either to consignment or to, or if you want to directly bill, you can bill it. Okay, from here. For example, I will send it to consignment. Just click on auto consignment. You can see the consignment report now. It's not showing for the August month. Now, when I go to add weight and send it to consignment, you will get the report, consignment report immediately. So click on auto consignment. Consignment entry auto was successfully. Okay. You want to print the same print which is earlier. This one, consignment. Okay. You have with all the um, instructions, terms and conditions. So here is done. Now when I go to consignment report, it shows like this. Here you have all the details: date, lot number, supplier name, coffee type, go down, first weight, second weight, added weight if any, and net weight, bag type, number of bags, and the MC deduction, OT, payable weight, build quantity, pending quantity, EP weight, consignment EP weight, husk weight, deduction and deduction description. From here you can send it to billing. For example, I say purchase, sorry, not purchase, let's say from here auto purchase. Okay, if I click on auto purchase, it carries the balance quantity automatically with all the details. What you have to do is just enter on it, select any order if you want, against which order you are receiving this copy, and go down. If you want to select, you can select any. For example, I say, for example, 1950 kg in billing. Okay, so automatically it calculates the amount. You can see this. This is not like a normal amount, like quantity and rate. This is different based on different formula. It is related to coffee curing. Okay, and when I say save it, I will get the immediately it goes to WhatsApp. If you want to send, you can send it. Otherwise, let's see. This is the print format with all the details: purchase quantity, rate, value, everything. Okay, with simple effort. Okay, just clicks. Anybody can do billing and this process with limited knowledge, because we have made it very simple. So, do you want to generate EP and husk? If you say yes, it will consume raw coffee and it will generate separate husk and EP. Okay. So now if you see build quantity column here, build quantity 1950 and pending quantity 6000, and on the basis of that EP, original EP weight, what is the consignment EP weight. If you want to send this to a supplier, what is his consignment status, you can print from here or send directly WhatsApp. It will show what is the balance quantity in the consignment. Okay, the same way you have a purchase register also, and here you have multiple filters. uh, Let me show how it works. For example, I say one, let me take from 23. You get all the records. You can view the report for any given date: weekly, monthly, yearly. It is flexible. It will generate the report instantly, and you get all the records. And in this record, if you want to filter supplier wise, for example, I want to get only this supplier details. Select, enter. That's it. You'll get only related to that supplier. So you can send this through WhatsApp, or you can print it and give the hard copy to the supplier from here with all the details. And if you want to disable some columns or some contents from this report, to fit in one page, you can disable any content from here, columns, and you can get well, if I don't want um, first weight, intersecting weight, for example. Okay, relation discussion, consume GPU weight, weight, induction, added weight. Anything you can enable and disable. Okay, so number of columns reduce. So you can either export it to Excel, or you can take the printout, or you can send it through WhatsApp. Anything. Or if you want, for example, in this, party. For example, you have stock group and a lot number. You want to search particular lot number. So here you can click and enter the lot number. For example, let's say the 4972. So I'll get the particular lot number. So I'll clear the filters now. So in the supplier, take not applicable. Lot number also I clear. So you get all the details again. Okay, so if you want from this, if you want to get robusta arabica separately, you can get it. If you want only arabica, enter, select and enter, so you get only arabica. Okay, only arabica details. If you want only robusta, you can get it. Okay, you have multiple filters here. So advanced entry also we are going to integrate with this. So if you, for this particular consignment, if you want to provide any advance, and you have to recover that to further purchases and the future purchases, so you can do that also. And we are going to add that advance reports also. Okay, so this is related to purchase. Okay, and purchase commitment report. You can see here what are the pending report and what are the pending orders and what is the pending quantity, all the details. The same way you have purchase register. The purchase register, you have some suppliers don't send this invoices immediately, so you want to track uh, which are the customers didn't send invoices. So if you want to click on this pending invoices, it will show only pending to receive the invoices. So if you, when you get the invoice, you just click on this update reference, supplier invoice number, enter date, August. That's it. You can update immediately. So that has gone to cleared the report from pending to cleared. So this way it works. It has many other features also. We'll see those features in the further videos. Okay. If you have any queries, you can comment. And if you want this solution, you can contact us. We'll give the contact details. Thank you for watching. Till the next time. Bye bye.